Amtrack auto train station. On our way to Florida, and after that, then we're going to our MSC cruise, our first cruise together, my first cruise period. We're going to Nassau, Bahamas, and then their private island, Ocean Key, however you pronounce it.
Ocean Key.
Ocean Key. So yeah, this is going to be
Chilling with teammate skills, you know what I mean?
Yeah, we pretty much all packed up. You ready? It's this auto train, and then the vacation adventure begins.
Adventure 2023.
Yep. Peace.
Chilling with teammate skills, you know what I mean?
Well, not really, because I've been in this joint multiple times. This
I haven't.
This is for you.
I have not done this before, so this is the first for me, and I'm excited to do this.
Yeah, but auto train is always cool, though.
Right, it's like a little adventure within an adventure. So hopefully, we'll have a good time and get some sleep too, because
in a quarter mile, turn left.
Second left.
Auto train. See the auto train sign is over there. We gotta turn into that. We are literally 2 minutes away.
Turn left, then slide right.
All these people in line, we gonna try to skip in front of them because we know where they going. You know, they trying to get to the auto train also, but we just gonna act like we don't know.
I know.
He know. What'd you say, hon?
Fuck 'em.
Yo. I'll see it. I'll be trained, baby.
We'll be giving y'all a view of the coach class, the terminal, and all of that.
Process, how it
so
goes.
the process on how to check in,
Inspect your car.
and inspecting your vehicle and all that good stuff. So you hear the train?
You hear that?
You hear the train? Anyway, so yeah, we'll
Coming
be there
for us.
soon, and we'll be back. Bye. Amtrack Auto Train. We begin the check-in process. Cars check-in at noon, but we
Slide
are
right.
just
Then your destination will be on the right.
So,
I got my credentials up.
the beautiful, beautiful Amtrack station, and we made it. We made it because let me tell you, it's 2:31. Check-in. Do you see what that sign says? Check-in. The latest is 3 p.m. and it's 2:31. So we just made it, and yeah, we're about to do the inspection and check-in process. So we'll be back. Mr. Ballard in his true form. Being his true. You see, this man probably don't even want to be on this camera. You don't know?
Right there?
You don't know?
Shut him off?
Alright, so after you check your car in, that's the one right there, that Atlas. They did a visual inspection. Got the matching shirts going on. We ain't going nowhere to 5 o'clock. I know. There it goes. That one went on the bottom level. Alright, now we're in the terminal. We're checking that. So it's pretty crowded in there. Like, we might be at full shooting. Check-in. You know, after that, pick our dinner time if they got some time available. They got a cafe. Yeah, the cafe's right over there. That's where they'll start boarding the trains at. Go to that door where it says boarding, train boarding. And then
I'll check us in.
the restrooms over there,
It helps with
ATMs. We're about to check in now.
Richard in the pool.
Wow, so stand corrected. I haven't been on here since like before 2020. So now you don't get the meal with your with your chair anymore. Only the deluxe accommodations like the roomettes, they are the only ones who get the dinner. So we can get some food, but they got a cafe card, so you have to purchase your meals. But we brought some food anyway, so that's cool. Yeah, they got a little area for waiting. You know what I'm saying? So this is cool. You get to chill. These are the cars. We're at 5313. That's where we'll be going in. So we go down to that section. So yeah, this is gonna be interesting. Hey, I'm glad we went to the market last night. But yeah, that's definitely a bummer because I just knew we was gonna pick a time for dinner, but not this time. Amtrack auto train station. On our way to Florida, and after that, then we're going to our MSC cruise, our first cruise together, my first cruise period. We're going to Nassau, Bahamas, and then their private island, Ocean Cay, Ocean Key, however you pronounce it.
Ocean Key.
Ocean Key. So yeah, this is going to be an interesting trip. We got to let y'all see a little bit of what's going on. Had some other video. Yeah, this is the terminal. That's where you would have came in at to check in your vehicle. They number it, and then they do a video of the condition, and then they store it on the train. You go inside, you check in, and then after that, yeah, you wait until it's time. Everything will be on your ticket to where you'll be seating at, and what train we on. Car what 34? What train? What car are we on?
The number is right here. It's 5313.
We're on train 5313.
See, they write it on the little
And as
card.
you can see, yeah, that's where the numbers of all the different cars are at. So eventually, when it's time, the conductors will come. They'll bring everybody on, guide you onto help you find your seat if you need help. Yeah, they got two different levels. You got the upper level and the lower level. So I chose the lower level. Lower level is more, I'm gonna say intimate,
And
but
it's
it's
got
more,
all the bathrooms and everything else on
yeah,
the
got
lower
the bathroom
level.
and stuff.
Right. So
But yeah, the lower level is more calm. Put it that way. Upper level is more, I guess, for
busy,
families and things of that nature. If we get a chance to go up on the upper level, we'll go ahead and get a little footage of that. But yeah, we're gonna take a tour as soon as it's time. It's just a little bit after 3 now.
3:30.
So they're gonna board at 3:30. So until then, signing out.
Peace.
Yeah, missing the next morning. What time is it? It is like 7:33. Yeah. Just finished eating a little bit of breakfast. Nicole went to go change. A little bit of sun. Actually in Florida somewhere, just not sure where. So yeah. Should get there like 9 o'clock in the morning. But yeah, stay wasn't too bad. A little rough. But they've been blasting. We in the front car, so they've been blasting that horn. Oh, I don't remember when they didn't blast the horn, but yeah, they definitely alert anybody in the area that they're coming. So that's how this train get down. So. All right, we live. We are here. We touched down about 9 something this morning, and they are finally starting to take the cars off of the train. So what happens is you sit here and wait. They got carts available, so those who have a lot of stuff like your coolers and your other little tad bits of blankets and stuff, you can take that with you. Yeah, my number is. You get your reservation number when you first pull in. My reservation number is 326. So I'll be car 326 inside the terminal, which is nice and air conditioned, which could have went in there. They got screens and they call over the loudspeaker. But you do have the option to have priority unloading. That's an extra fee. I don't know if you can hear that. They're calling call number 13. Car number 13. That's about to come out, unless it's already out. And then what happens is, yeah, you show your documents and then take your car and you're off on your way. So this is in Sanford, Florida. I don't see no signage. Signage is all the other way around. But yeah, this is how they take your cars off. Yeah, that's the terminal. And yeah, they got little brochures so it's those who want to leave from Florida and go somewhere. Like the bathrooms. This is the terminal. Everybody sitting here waiting. And they got the screen. Not that screen, but yeah, they got screens to let you know when your car comes off. And then you can go retrieve your vehicle. It's nice and air conditioned in here. And yeah, it's nice and cool. So you don't have to wait outside, but some people go outside to smoke, things of that nature. So that's what they do. All right, they got cars coming on. Yeah, they got people that run up there, go grab the cars, bring them down. See, you got the numbers on the cars, so somebody come get their wheel. This priority, I see the P on it. So yeah, anything gonna come off at this point is gonna be priority. I don't know if you can hear it, but they beep the horn, like they're coming out. Car number 13. So whoever owner of that vehicle, car number 14. So yeah, they're gonna come and grab their vehicle. Everybody outside waiting. They got their carts. And then they go in there, grab the next cars for priority, and they'll park them over there and you go retrieve your vehicle. Alright, so we about to we just did a Dunkin' Donuts break. Now we on to my people's crib, to Orlando. And,
Use the right lane to take the Interstate 4 West Rim.
About another hour, some change, we'll be there.
Continue for 1 mile.
What up, y'all? Like you said, we on our way. Should be in about a good hour. And it is super hot out here. I've been complaining that it's hot, but I just think that it's just humid. That's all. But anyway, we'll get back to y'all when we arrive at our location. Love it here. We are just a few minutes away from arriving at our destination, and it's really, really, really pretty here.
Palm trees everywhere.
Yeah, palm trees everywhere. So yeah, so we'll be there shortly. Be back. Bye.